Go back to the COVID-19 Chinatown Station. Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Station. This is Martin and every agent going around the station. The agent's ready to go. Wait, pussy. Go, Everett. Every agent turn left to the freight train. Business Martin going to the Chinatown Station. Wait just a minute. Eva and Pussy going to the train tracks around the edge. The train is chasing around Pussy and Everett. Legend John will off the track. Oh no! He is off the track. Ever the blue engine is off the track.
This is 911. What's your emergency?
Hi, Rescue Evans. This is Matthew Sunny. Ever blue engine fell off the tracks. We to call the fire engine.
Matthew Zeleny, did Edward fall off the tracks?
Yes.
Okay, well send you another shinging time station. Hi.
Okay, thanks, bye. Hold on, Everett, it's coming. Ever okay? What? The fire engine comes to the train. Hurts, not hurts. Ever's going to the hospital. Go to the timid sheds. We'll see you soon.